guys, look, this is the East Quarry. Like, what? For real? Oh wow, I guess we're fixing to go up, ain't we? Look at that rock formation. Look at that. And there we go. And there is Lake Maumelle. Right there. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. I've never seen it before. It might be kind of neat to go see. Okay, look at all the pretty greenery, y'all. Pretty. And I still haven't even seen Pinnacle Mountain yet. I drove all this way, and I still haven't seen Pinnacle yet. But look at all the rock formations. They're pretty. Okay, so now I want to try to get around this muddy patch here. Oh, this whole trail is kind of muddy. So we'll walk over here on this side here. It's not quite so muddy. And then it looks like that this is just I don't know if it's just they've gotten a lot of rain or, and I guess the trail kind of goes down into the trail. That's kind of cool. Okay, so now we're on red. Wow, pretty. Okay, so here we go, back on up. And this trail is pretty unique because it does have the little creek that runs through it. Alright, definitely starting to feel some inclines as we're going up here. That's where we just came from, down there. And definitely not a flat or smooth trail at all. But looks like it's starting to get a little more scenic as you're getting on up a little bit in the mountain, on the mountain here, but I'm a sucker for mountaintops anyway. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're not too disappointed that I didn't make Pinnacle Mountain today. That'll be another time. Plus, it'll give me more time to train at the gym anyway, which I need to be doing. So, anyway, so we'll find that one next time.